Hello. Today's topic is about how to load a custom properties inside a Spring Boot application. I got a demo application that is properties. If you see, I have a form.xml which is I have recently created from the spring.io initialize. The version what I'm using is 2.2.1. Uh, Basically, if you see our application, the Spring Boot application, you see here, I have queue configuration. So before going to this particular configuration, I would like to show you the application.properties, what we are going to load. This is the app.name and app.email. This is the custom configuration, custom properties which we will be loading. These are not related to the Spring Boot application, so these are all related to a custom applications. So we'll see how to load this particular application via an beam. So if you see here, I have configured one @configuration properties. There is one annotation which is used for loading the configuration. So if you see here, there is a prefix app dot. So this is a prefix which will be, if you see here, this is the prefix I have kept it over here as an app dot this. So after that, all this will be loaded with this particular name or either the getter setter. You see your app dot name and over here. So this will be mapped to it. Once you have this particular mapping configured, so it will be calling it with the help of app dot the properties. If you have a look at this particular main application, if you see here along with the other Spring Boot application, I have an configuration that is enable configuration properties, which I've given a reference to this application configuration, which is the same class. If you see it over here, so this will be loading. This will be referencing that particular application is loading in the app, and it will be loaded. In the main, I've tried to show you two kind of loadings. I mean, one is using in the main application that is in standalone way where I can read it. I can with the help of auto configuration, auto wiring. Like I have here, I have auto wired it. To access it in a static context, I have actually initialized a normal variable over here. I have created one variable over here of the static one, so I can access it in the static main mode. So I kept it over here and I've loaded it. So you will be able to see this once I run the Spring Boot application. Another in the I have created an REST controller where I have loaded that particular property, that is an app config. If you see here, this is the app configuration file what we have configured here. See here, so I have auto wired it over here. So I will be calling this particular method where when I will be hitting this particular URL with the help of this particular /hello. So it will be calling this particular method and it will be getting that name over here. So let's start the application. So if you see here, my application is started on port 8080, and if you see here, there are two text written over here. This is coming from this application property where I have already told you, like I have auto wired the main application and I have tried to load this. So it is basically loaded from this particular application with the custom properties. One is this. Now let's have a look at the when we're going to hit this particular endpoint, that is @hello. So if you see here, I have localhost 8080 and hello. I will hit it over here again. If you see here, you will be able to see the value when it is coming from here. So see, if you see here, it's already hitting it. It's hit here, and the value is written on the browser by the text. So this is all about this, how to load this particular property file, custom property files inside the Spring Boot application.